Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix when Roblox won't install on PC. First, you just have to locate your Roblox and then tap it or right click and then run this as administrator. Second thing to do, if you still encounter the problem, then you have to go to settings and then try to disable this Windows Defender or firewall because one of the reasons why it is not installing, maybe this firewall or defender is blocking it. So all you have to do is to tap this virus and protection, and you should see this switch right here. But now, if you don't have that, then you can just start using the third-party application, like what I'm doing right now. Install the Roblox, go back to virus and threat protection, and then enable it again. But if the problem still exists after doing this method, then proceed to the next method, and that is to reinstall Roblox. So first you have to uninstall Roblox and then go to roblox.com, log in, okay, type your account here. And then what you want to do here is to simply select any game, for example, this one. Tap this and then click this green button. Okay, so in order to download and install Roblox again, you have to look for the any game here and then tap the screen button and then wait for this download and install to pop up. Then you will see it right here that it is now starting to download. Okay, tap this, go to the download folder, right click, and then click run as administrator. Okay, now, if the problem still exists, then you must proceed to the next method, and that is to go to the search menu and then type run. Here you have to type person symbol, update a person symbol, and then click OK. Now, here you just have to simply look for app data, okay? And then next is you have to locate local or look for local. Now scroll down and look for Roblox. You can type R and then go to versions. Now look for the latest version here. For example, this is your latest version. Right click and then run as administrator. Now open Roblox again and see if the problem has been solved. If it still didn't solve anything, then proceed to the very last step, and that is to check if Roblox is working well today. So you can go to Roblox server status and see if there's problem today, because maybe that's one of the reasons why you can't install Roblox. So I really hope this video helped you. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.